Very cute birds. This is the crop of rice. See these birds how nicely eating the grains which are just away to this crop. These are Mina birds. Generally, in the crops of rice, the Mina birds will not enter inside. But this is very different. These Minas are gathering the rice grains. This is the place of lammasingi, Vizag district, India. It's a very nice place, very comfortable place to live and to enjoy vacations. Very beautiful place it is. From Vizag, 120 kilometers. Arguveli, Paderu, Chintapalli, next to lammasingi. I came to here to enjoy these beautiful places. So these are the fields that tribal people will prefer the crops like this. This is the rice crop. So these people won't use any pesticides for these crops. Very naturally they will get the production of these crops. Cow dung they will use maximum, and this soil is a very strengthened soil. So in this area, nearly 10,000 acres of land for this village of Lammasingi. Okay, myself Raidu. I'm a motivational speaker. If you have any guidance, I shall give you. My number is 7619161640. Once again, the number is 7619161640. Have a nice day. Glad to meet you. It's a very huge hill.